Hello friends, my name is Dr. Sunil Kumar Jatak. Today I am going to start a new uh, course, Non-ferrous metal extraction. So today is the first lecture and name of topic is non-ferrous metal in Indian history. So my name of my channel is Meta Engineering. So you are welcome in my channel, and I am going to start with the tagline "Feel Metallurgy." So I will now we should with a start. So here first we start from the ancient history. So the history of the human age, history of man age classified into the three categories. First age, first is the stone age. So in the stone age, generally equipment and some tools are prepared by using the stones. So next age is bronze age, where the copper is generally used and copper alloys are used. In the third age, the iron is start to use. So there have the weapons and tools are found of the iron. So this the age from the transition from the stone age to the metal age, that is called, that is come by the discovery of the copper, and copper is found in the native form around the 8000 BC. So this is the very significant phase of the human history, because from the history and technology age is shifted from the stone to the metal, and this is the copper which is found in the native form generally. So the period of both stone and metal is known as the Chalcolithic period. Chalcolithic period is called because chalco form the copper. Chalco means the copper and lithos means the stone. So this age is the combined age of the stone and metals. So both are the used in this period. So that is called the Chalcolithic period. Copper in this period is used in the manufacturing of the and weapons, uh, and whereas the gold and silver serve the adornment purpose. These are used to make the some ornament. So it around the 8000 we see the this is the very earliest period. So that is called the Neolithic period. In this period, the pigeons communities of Western Asia start using the metallic object. In the period of 4000 BC, here the Egyptians are learned to extract the copper from its ore. Chinese starting employing the plum techniques for producing the bronze and iron. So now in the period of 2000 to 8000 2000 to 1000 BC, here so in Indian learn to extract the copper from its ore. So that is the role in Indian history, very important. So first metal which are the extract in Indian history, that is the copper. So it learned to make the bronze with varying the content, tin content. So bronze is generally the alloy of the copper and the tin. So Chinese and Indian artisans master art of casting, riveting, brazing, and forging of copper tin content. In this period, Chinese and Indian master the iron production by the charcoal reduction of the iron ore. That type reduction is called the carbothermic reduction. In this period, Indian and Egyptians also learned to wash gold containing sand or crushed and ground rock, and they also learn amalgamation process. In the period of 1500 to 0 BC, West Asian and Indian learned to reduce the lead ore by the charcoal. Cinnabar is reduced to produce the mercury and purified by the squeezing through the leather. Silver is produced from the impure lead in this period. In this period, tin also produced from its ore. So now come in the come in the period of 1300 BC. So Aristotle described the winning of silver from its ore by the flame technique. So flame technique is start in the early period. What Aristotle mentioned the winning of silver in his book. In the 79 BC, Pliny described the preparation of lead by the electrochemical displacement and by the retort distillation, and purified the he also purified the gold by the amalgamations. 700 to 800 BC, in this period, the copper precipitated from the acid solution with the metallic iron in the Europe. 1100 to 1300 AD, alchemists developed the inorganic acid from treating the ore and metals. Arsenic and antimony are also discovered. 1550 AD, the first handbook on metallurgy is began to appear. In 1700 to 1800 AD, there have a large number of metal are discovered, namely the cobalt, platinum, zinc, nickel, and uh, etc. And 1800 to 19 AD, more metal also discovered like namit, tantalum, and potassium, sodium, etc. So these are the some references from this knowledge age the gathers. So thank you for your patience, and if you have any doubt you can ask and you can comment if you have any doubt. So thank you.